Hello guys, in this video I will give a brief introduction about counter. So first, definition of counter. What is the function of counter? The function of counter is to count. It can count in forward manner, that means 0, 1, 2 up to 9, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 15, or in backward manner like 9, 8, 7, 6 up to 0, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, in this way up to 0. So easily you can guess that the function of counter is to count just in forward and in backward direction. Now classification. So counter can be divided in two ways depending on the counting manner. That means it counts in forward direction or in backward direction. Counter can be classified in three types: up counter, down counter, and up down counter. So what is up counter? Up counter counts in forward direction, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. And down counter counts in backward direction, that means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 in this way. And up down counter can count both in forward and backward direction. Clear? Now depending on the clock signal, counter can be divided in two types. First one is ripple or asynchronous counter, and second one is synchronous counter. So what is ripple or asynchronous counter? In asynchronous counter, external clock is applied to the first flip-flop, and the output of the first flip-flop is used as the clock to the second flip-flop. Okay. Now what is synchronous counter? In case of synchronous counter, same clock is applied to both the flip-flop. That is the simple difference between asynchronous counter and synchronous counter. Now one important term regarding counter is modulus. What is modulus? And modulus in short form it is written MOD. MOD means modulus. So modulus equals to 2 to the power n, where n is the number of flip-flop. Suppose n is equal to 2, then modulus of the counter is 4. Suppose n is equal to 3, then modulus of the counter is 8. Suppose n is equal to 4, then modulus of the counter will be equal to 2 to the power 4, that is obviously 16. Now there is a special type of counter you will learn later, that is decade counter. So what is decade counter? A decade counter actually formed by combining 4 flip-flop. Okay. So from this previous equation you know that for 4 flip-flop modulus will be equal to 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. That means using 4 flip-flop you can count total 16 numbers. Suppose 0 to 15. 0 to 15 equals to total 16 number. But in decade counter, using those 4 flip-flop, we will count only 10 numbers. That's why the name is decade. Decade always indicates the number 10. In decade counter, we count binary from 0000 to 1001. and binary equivalent of 0 0 0 0 is 0, and you know that binary equivalent, sorry, decimal equivalent of 1 0 0 1 is 10. That means decade counter counts from 0 0 0 to 1 0 0 1. That means 0 to 10. Now in my upcoming lectures regarding counter, you will notice that I am using the terms like 3-bit counter, 4-bit counter. So what is bit here? So actually this bit is represented by flip-flop. That means I want to say that each flip-flop represents a single bit. Okay, that means in case of 3-bit counter, you have total 3 flip-flop. In case of 4-bit counter, you have total 4 flip-flop.